If you press all the way down, it kind of sprays.
Oh, sick. Freeze. I'm a cop.
I'll see, but...
And that fucking light is obvious. Like when I rolled up on an account, fucking trying to record my interaction with some guy. I didn't even know that light.
What'd you do?
Just introduce myself and
Yeah,
no, he was just like
he
he was looking at me like this the whole time.
When are we cosplaying as cowboys? When do we prep to cosplay?
I would have to do it tomorrow, but...
Yeah, yeah.
I'll have to do it tomorrow.
Interesting. So you're making like wontons?
Chips.
Wonton chips?
See,
That's why you need that canola oil.
this works well enough.
I didn't know this was like an involved process here. You should have told me. This looks like something to be done on the weekend, buddy.
Not really.
No?
Once these chips are done, I just cut these bitches up.
When you're gonna fry Marcos, always use the avocado oil.
Ah!
Avocado oil is for like frying, like it.
Very well. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Understood. I'm sorry, mein Führer.
Oh, damn.
Bitch.
I'm on GLP-1, bro.
I think I bought too much cheese.
There's no such thing as too much cheese.
So I'm gonna put one of them in the freezer.
Why? No.
Alright, we'll let it rot in the fridge.
Alright, yeah, you're
I give it like 10 minutes. It's baking. I was gonna broil it, but I don't know.
You should have told me this shit was like an hour-long process.
What did you think it was gonna be?
I don't know.
A snack that takes less than an hour, other than a sandwich?
Those sausages, what I would have done is I just made those sausages with the salad, called it a dinner. Valid, though, right?
Do you have a towel to put on that coffee table?
Should we eat it here? We eat it right there.
You got a towel for that then?
You can put these on the roof.
Oh, nice. But you got mittens? That's it. How do I stop this?
Fine. I was gonna put marinara on it.
No, it's for the side.
Clear off.
Oh, sick.
Is this gonna upset my GLP-1?
What is that?
I'm on Ozempic.
I was gonna put garlic salt, but you don't need it.
This motherfucker said it was a snack.
Oh no.
It is a snack.
A whole meal, dude.
I don't think it'll get you full.